welcome back to another channel. Today I'm gonna do sweet potato dumpling. You never said that yet. I do Irish potato and some soft yam with baked bean and saltfish. A quick meal. Just use some baked bean and saltfish. Quick thing. So I'm gonna stay tuned and watch out. And please again, subscribe, like, share, leave a thumb up. Please like the video. Leave a comment below. Family and friend, love you. And get my potato peel up the grater right away. Get them wash it off and all them things, eh? Put them small like that and do it fast. When everything's set, start to make it dumpling, you know. I get my hand wash off now because I know the potato kind of like a stain. I get it wash off now to deal with the flour. See it? Get on the pot on the stove, you know. Get a little salt tonight. Put too much salt food. Right. Get the cover on it. Alright, we'll go back to the flour now. Get in the flour and the potato. And you come like a one dough we make it. Dumpling, you know. Salt tonight. Stir it up. Get some water right in the pot now. Just ready for the pot now, you know. Wash out the salt, put some of the salt off right and scald it off, you know. That's the blend food doesn't work, you know. Everything up and running, you know. and pretty. Man. See, we can plan that area. Okay. I get them wash off and go in on the patio, you know? Yeah. I get them more part. One man pot look nothing. I eat it more than one time. Right. Yeah. Put in the hump in a few minutes. There. Wash up, man. Get them so. Repeat me. Nah, eat you know. Season fit. Baked bean and saltfish. 30-minute cooking, you know. I'm gonna get them fast food that you're cooking, you know. Good old crush money, guys. Can't use too much oil to make it hot. Still a few percent garlic in my drink, and I know garlic in my food. That's not big lot of feet. Baked bean and saltfish pot, you know. Potato dumpling. Yes, the people.
Itch up, you know?
Right. Tears up to one more. Alright, good. Alright, right. Get off this and put it on back on the fire, you know, see it? Scald it 2 times. Fresh water upon it this again. Scald it 2 times because the salt is salt. When the salt is deal there now, clean it up and get it ready for the bean. See people? I got the bone you know. Yeah. Get on my pot for me. Saltfish and more for oil on my pot. Right, I season them on the baby, you know, I use too much oil, you know, the baby is like that. Get in the saltfish. Be next. Be in time, you know, people. Right? Get the water in it. I put some seasoning in it, some little natural stuff in it. Spice it up. Go and simmer down now, no? Spicy. That is it, you know. Your food pot, the people. Ready. So it come down here. So it look nice, fast and brisk. See it there? My head in this. Now taste the dumpling make you see. People, a good meal list. You know for me. Like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Say me, I beg you know. You don't know anything come down, you know. Want to reach 1,000 subscribers, please help me reach up there. Give thanks. Love you all. Safi, I'm nice. Hey, dumpling body, you know? Irish. My God. No, sir. Fast food. Quick and brisk. I say dumpling body, dumpling body, dumpling body. If it's bad one more time.